Look at your current conditions out there. This is the view from our Hickson-Funson, Kentucky Lawyers camera with those temperatures out there. So the little bit of cloud cover that you can see on your screen is basically centered over areas that are into the 50s. So where you're seeing 50s on the map, that's where conditions are partly cloudy out there this morning. Notice how we are clear there on the eastern sky, and you can see that or into eastern Kentucky where you're seeing the blue. That's where skies are clear, so you get a great view of the sunrise out there. So pretty cool view. You can almost see where the cloud cover is just by looking at the temperatures out there this morning. Viper radar currently showing dry conditions. There may be a sprinkle or two out there. I'm really not too concerned about that here for the day today. High pressure, though, to our east. That's going to continue to build further south and eastward, increase that southerly flow and warm up our temperatures. We do have a elevated storm risk here across the northern plains and in the northern Midwest. Check this out. Level 4 risk out for Minneapolis, western Wisconsin, and far northern Iowa. Level 3 risk that stretches from northeast Kansas all the way up into Wisconsin. Fast forwarding to your Tuesday, notice as that area shifts a little bit further to the south and the east and now does include our area with a level 3 risk for Columbus to Pittsburgh up to Buffalo and upstate New York included in that level 3 risk here. So let's time things out with Futurecast, starting off with your morning hours today. Conditions quiet by the afternoon, will be partly cloudy to mostly sunny, temperatures low to maybe even mid 80s in spots. Overnight tonight, you're not really going to drop temperatures too much. And as that cold front drops in out of the north and the west, we're going to fire up some storms. Notice at noon, you're not seeing any of that activity, but that changes as you head towards the afternoon. We may get some development out ahead of the front, but the main severe weather threat will be right ahead of that cold front as that pushes on in. Late afternoon and evening hours, that's where you get a line of storms with damaging wind gusts as our primary threat. Could get some hail as well. By around midnight, that's already dropping off towards the south and the east. And Wednesday morning, frontal boundary kind of stalls out right over top of our area, and that's going to lead to some lingering showers and a few storms. Then for your Thursday afternoon, watch as we get some development out ahead of that front, and that will move into your Thursday evening. So we could get another severe weather risk there for Thursday into Thursday evening. For tomorrow, though, level 2 risk out for the northern half of the area. That does include Lexington. That risk does step down as you head further towards the south and the east. I want to show you again that Thursday forecast because watch as you get some development into the afternoon and evening hours. As strong to severe storm risk could be from I-75 eastward. Still a little too early. We could get some changes to that. But for Oaks Day on Friday, we'll see some showers, maybe some storms from Lexington eastward. I think in Louisville, a little bit drier than what we're going to experience here in Lexington. And then for Derby Day on Saturday, looking good to go, just a little cooler there. Rainfall forecast showing around 1 inch to 2 inches possible across the area over the next 5 days before we dry things out this weekend. For today, mostly sunny, warming up 83 degrees. Tonight we fall only into the low 60s, so warm overnight. That warmth leading to the storm threat on Tuesday. Lingering showers and storms, no severe storms on Wednesday ahead of that strong to severe storm risk on Thursday.